forward, senior, number 21, Alex Leslie.
Hey, this grill.
With that basket, Alex Leslie has now eclipsed the 1,000-point plateau.
Lobs to Leslie, and he's able to draw the foul on Hoskins had when he was a sophomore a couple years ago, my first season. Leslie gets the runner-up, and it spins in. Beats now for Leslie, then to Clough, and back to Leslie for three, and that's good.
Has extended out to that three-point line. This really made a difference.
Standing at the mid-floor line, listening to Coach Mitchell Roy tell him what the plan is. Oh, that was a great move. 6 seconds to go in the third quarter. Leslie's
going to take this one.
And he nails a three at the buzzer.
Drive to the hoop. Another strong move to the hoop. Newport on a 5-0 run. Cuts the lead to 2. Now a drive to the hoop. Strong move to the hoop. The Patriots. Driving. 3 if it goes. Driving to the hoop. And strong move to the hoop. In the third period at Weir Gym.
And oh, wide open. Leslie off. Girls up ahead. Leslie Austin. Deflected. Leslie gets the contact. And Leslie penetrates, gets contact. Leslie still has it. Leslie throws it up ahead. Gets it to Roby. Line pass. Gets it to Klopp. Dumps it underneath. Leslie ball pick. Call the play here. Pick and roll with Roby. He goes right to.
Right now you've got 5 guys that can score.
Clough for Wakeham. Oh, great backdoor cut by.
Which too, you got a guard here, that's for sure.
Baseline move in the corner for a 3, and that's along with Jamie Lesperance from Bedford High School near Manchester. Great entry. The runner-up, no good. Offensive rebound by Leslie.
Yeah, they can score a lot in a hurry, that's for sure.
Right move blocks in this game. 31-21 and right to the basket.
Get everything really wide and let Leslie or Roby probably beat him up the dribble.
The 2:20 to go up at the other end. Leslie is going to call.
That's far. Good hustle by Aikens. Roby was wide open right there for a long time, and they never. Big, you better pick up Roby. Nice pass.
Oh, great little alley-oop play to Leslie. Big first quarter by Alex Leslie with 7 points. He tries a spin move, gets it up good. He tries a spin
Nice
move.
pass.
Oh, great feed for Clough.
True.
Reggie backs in. Nice spin move. Swatted away by Alex Leslie. As he goes the other way, he gets the runner up good, and he draws the foul.
Yeah.
And that ball in the hands of a right guy with Leslie. He goes to the basket, and they're going to call that good.
Be good.
And it's pretty appropriate that the ball ends up in the hands of Alex Leslie.